The ALMCo 50514 14-inch electric mower, produced by the American Lawn Mower Company, is an efficient and eco-friendly solution for all your lawn maintenance needs. Equipped with a powerful 11-amp motor, this electric lawn mower ensures high efficiency and provides gas-like cutting power, making it capable of cutting all types of grass with ease. The mower features a large 14-inch cutting width and offers 5 adjustable cutting height settings, ranging from 1 inch to 2.5 inches, allowing for a customizable mowing experience. The mower includes a 2-in-1 rear discharge and mulching system, complete with a hardtop 9-gallon grass bag that has a grass level indicator for easy disposal. One of its standout features is its adjustable handle height and position, which, combined with its compact and slim frame and foldable handles, ensure easy handling and storage. Not only is this mower lightweight and easy to maneuver, but it also doesn't require gas or emit noise or fumes, making it a planet-friendly and low-maintenance option for your lawn.